Good morning everyone. Welcome to all. This is Atul Tiwari from Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya College of Agriculture, Riva. Today I am explaining the topic contaminating factor in seed production in the subject seed production technology and guided by the Dr. R.P. Joshi sir, Principal Scientist, Plant Breeding and Genetics. Contaminating factor in seed production. Seed contaminating affect yield, quality and genetic purity. Its economic impact lower market value. Our goal is to maintain seed integrity and reliable production for sustainable farming. Sources of contamination. Pollen contamination. Unwanted pollen from other species or variety. Volunteer plant and weed. Seedling from residual and invasive plant. Mechanical mixture. Seed mixing during harvest and processing. Seed-borne pathogen, pest, disease and insect transmitted through seed. Cross-pollination. Wind-borne pollen transmitted by wind in crop like corn and grasses. Insect-mediated transfer pollen by insect in sunflower and canola. Isolation distance buffer zone to prevent pollen contamination. Hybrid corn example used for buffer row to maintain purity. Mechanical mixture. Equipment cleaning essential to remove residue, seed and debris. Seed carryover. Seed left in combined planter cause mix-up. Human handling error. Proper storage and careful handling reduce contamination. Soybean example mixing with Saturn seed reduce lot purity. Volunteer plant. Residual seeds from previous crop remain in soil due to incomplete harvest and seed setting. These seeds can germinate simultaneously in subsequent planting, lead to volunteer plants. They are often difficult to control without proper management practices such as crop rotation and pre-plant seed bed preparation. No-till challenge. No-till farming practices preserve soil structure but reduce the mechanical disturbance needed to eradicate volunteer plant. As a result, volunteer plant like canola and wheat can survive and compete with new crop, reduce yield and quality. For example, volunteer canola appearing in a wheat field can act as a weed, consuming nutrient and complicating harvest. Effective management under no-till system require integrated approach include herbicide and careful crop selection. Seed-borne pathogen type fungi including Fusarium, Alternaria and Riccinia species, bacteria such as Xanthomonas and Pseudomonas species, viruses like tobacco mosaic virus and tomato spotted wilt virus, all transmitted through contaminated seed and affecting seed quality and plant health. Fungal pathogen can cause seed rot and damping of disease, while bacteria pathogen often cause leaf spot and systematic infection. Viruses are typically spread through seed and by vector of organism but can severely limit crop yield and quality. Impact on plant. Seed-borne pathogen lead to disease in seedling and mature plant, impacting crop establishment and productivity. They are reduce seed germination rate, seedling vigor, and can cause deformity and plant death. Example include Fusarium species causing root rot in wheat, Xanthomonas causing bacterial blight in bean, and viruses reduce fruit quality in vegetable. Infected plant also increase risk of pathogen spread within field and to subsequent crop management. Effective management involves integrated strategy to reduce infection risk and protect seed quality. Seed treatment using fungicide and bactericide can significantly reduce pathogen and load and seed prior or to planting. Sanitization practices include cleaning equipment and proper seed storage help prevent contamination. Using certified disease-free seed lot and crop rotation can reduce pathogen buildup in soil. Regular monitoring and early detection enable timely intervention to limit disease spread. Seed-borne pest. Insect infestation damage seed during storage and planting. Nematodes attack root and residue plant health. Example bean weevil in beans, nematode in soybean. Mitigation strategies. Crop rotation limits volunteer plant and disease buildup. Equipment cleaning prevents carryover for seed and pathogen. Frogging remove off-time and weed in field. Seed testing certificate ensure genetic purity and health. Ensuring seed quality. Best practices focus on purity and disease-free seed production. Genetic purity essential for crop reliability and yield. Benefits: higher yield, better market value and sustainability. Investment: quality seeds improve return and farm resilience. Weed seeds: size and shape. Weed seed mimic crop, making separation hard. New species introduction. Weed spread by contaminated seed lots. Alfalfa example. Dodder infestation increase control cost. Economic impact: higher weed control expense, reduce profitability.